Hi all, welcome to another refurbishment video. This is a build I've put together for what you call 1080p gaming. So straight into it. The case is what is known as a mid-tower case. It's a Corsair Spec Delta. So on the top we've got two USB 3 ports, the power switch and a headphone and microphone socket. Now the full specification is it's got an i7-4770 socket 1150 from Intel CPU. It's got two sticks of 8GB DDR3 RAM, 16GB in total, running 1600 MHz speed. It's got an Arctic Alpine CPU cooler, 240GB SSD drive, 1TB hard drive. The power supply is Corsair, which has got an output of 550 watts. The GPU is an Asus GTX 960, which has got 2GB of VRAM. Now, in this day and age, that 2GB of VRAM is the limit, but as we'll come into the benchmarks, you'll see some more recent games can be run, and a lot of the freebie online games like Fortnite, Valorant, etc. should have no problems with that 2GB of VRAM limit. And my budget just wouldn't stretch to 970 with graphic card prices being still all over the place. So move this case round. Now it's got a glass side panel which is removable by taking out 4 screws in each corner. I've already done 2, so I'll just do the other 2. You probably can't see it that well on the video, but it allows you to see the components inside the case. So this lifts out like that. There's plenty of room in this case for your components. Also, I like the fact that the power supply at the bottom is in this metal enclosure. Now this case has also got 4 Darkflash RGB fans, which I will demonstrate in the dark because it's a lot more effective that way. I'll just quickly show you the back. I didn't show you the back. So top to bottom, that's the motherboard ports. It's got Ethernet, USB 3, USB 2. It's got the older mouse and keyboard connections, and it's got headphone, microphone sockets there. That's the exhaust fan there. That's the graphics card. They're the expansion slot covers. Now that motherboard, to save costs, I got it quite cheap, second hand, and it didn't have a USB 3 header for the front ports. So what I've had to do is connect those up to a card I've put in one of the PCIe slots, and that card also gives you an extra couple of USB 3 ports there. And that's the fan, exhaust fan, the power supply exhaust fan at the bottom there. So going back inside, now cable management is reasonable in this case, but it doesn't give you much room on the other side panel for fitting all those cables neatly and getting that panel back on, but it is doable. That's the remote control for the fans, the remote control box, and that's the remote control to operate the fans. It's also got controls on the box itself, but obviously using the remote's more convenient. So what I'll do is I'll start this machine up and run a few benchmarks to show you its performance, and that will be in the next video. If you've got any queries until then or any questions, just let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.